hope all are fine. Today is 2nd March. The day is Tuesday. Yes, the day is the Tuesday, the 2nd March. Means the third month of the year. ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವೀಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಜಾನ್ವರಿ ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಓಕೆ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ year, that is the March month. Okay, last year we were in the starting stage of the corona and we were trying to stay at home and safe. The same thing, the same pandemic year has been followed this year also. So be careful at home, wash your hands and keep yourself hygiene. Don't run here and there and don't attend the function with a very crowd. Okay, be strong and improve your immunity power. Okay, now we'll start our class because as usual I told you that daily routines already I taught you so many times regarding the good food and the junk food also. Okay, as I want to complete my curriculum, here I am doing my cursive writing. Okay, today we are going to learn in the English cursive writing. Okay, in that you learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K, L. You learn till here now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, small letter how you are writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Like this you are writing your small letters. This is the how it is this is a cursive writing which help you in writing the joining words. If you want to write this joining, it will not be there because there will be no end for this. Okay, but here the edges are very sharp. It will help you to join the letter with the another letter. So you have to learn lot with the cursive writing because it help you in making the cursives. Like here it will help you in learning the joining letters, children. It looks very nice. The handwriting will be very nice, children. So try to learn the cursive writing only. Today we are going to learn some other letters in the cursive. What are those? Yes, K after L. What will come? It is a yum. Yum. Yen. Yum, yan, then O. O, then O. P, Q, R. Okay, M, N, O, P, Q, R. This is some words of cursive. I mean letter of the cursive writing. M, N, O, P, Q, R. You know how to write this in your small letter words, but the cursive writing have the sharp edges, sharp turnings or sharp the tick marks, so that it will help you to join one word with the other word. Oh, so you have to learn lot this cursive writing. It will help you to improve your what? Writing skills. that. Okay, I'll use all these things and write you how you can join the letters from that. Okay, I'll start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. See, without ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You can try the same thing with your four language. See, I have not opened my fingers. I didn't pick my fingers with finishing from A to R. I'll try. I'll show you how you can write. I'll show you again. You just look into that. Okay? I'll start from here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Yes, you can write like this. Okay, see how my handwriting is very nice. No, if I write the same thing using the small letter, I had to leave the spaces. So the cursive writing is very good to learn, children. So you learn at home. You try to practice every day by taking your 4 lines book. Okay, the homework is as usual. Complete pages from 18 to 25. That is M N O P Q R. Every time telling you so many pages are there. You don't think like that because it is all only tracing. You no need to concentrate and write. Only you have to concentrate on that dotted line. Okay. So it's very easy homework. You try at home. Okay. Understood? No? Yes. Yes. Now we will move to the same class with the diagram in the English only. Okay. Diagram. We were learning TH and WH. TH, think, thin, thick, then what else? Teeth, WH. Wheel, wad, whip, whisper. Then, do you remember some other words in WH? Can you remember? Wail. Okay, like this. So many words are there. I'll write thumb. THUMB. So many are there. I have taken some for your example. This is TH and WH diagrams. Thin, thin, thick, teeth, teeth and thumb. Okay. We, what, whip, whisper and the way. These are the words of the WH. I'll make some sentences. Using the TH and WH. Okay, in the TH, I'll take think and teeth. Okay? No, think and thumb. No, can we think? Can you think why your thumb finger is fat? See, can you think why your thumb finger is fat? Can you think why it is fat? That is the question. Second one, I will take whisper and the wheel. The car's wheel was making whisper in silent street. Okay, what is that? The car's wheel was making whisper in silent street. In silent street, when the car was going very slow, it was hearing like a whisper. Whisper andre ಏನೋ ಗುಸು ಗುಸು ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ದು ವೀಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ದ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ವೀಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಸ್ಪರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ I'll take the whale and teeth. Okay, the whale has a sharp teeth. Okay, the whale has a sharp teeth. Okay, the whale has a sharp teeth. This is the another one thing. The whale has a sharp teeth. This is another one. What sentence you can frame with your TH and WH diagrams. Okay. Now, what is your homework? First, open your Discover phonic book. Okay. Discover phonic book. You all have no your Discover phonic book. That in that the page number 23. You have to learn Tim as a new toothbrush. He likes to brush his teeth. His teeth are clean and white. Tim as a new toothbrush. He likes to brush his teeth. His teeth are clean and white. Dad is on a ship. He spots a whale in the sea. The whale make a big splash. Dad is on the ship. He spots a whale in the sea. The whale makes a big splash. This is your Discover phonic book, page number 23. You have to read it aloudly. Loud ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು. The same thing you have to complete the page number. The homework is Discover phonic book, page number 23, and phonic activity book, page number 60. In that, complete the sentences with the correct word. Toothbrush and teeth. Tim has a new dash. He likes to brush his dash. Look at the picture and write the correct word. One they are given, one picture of the butterfly's baby. That is what you have to see. And another one, the finger they are given. This is which finger? You have to write the correct word in that. Okay? This is the two homework for you in your TH and WH what diagrams. Okay, shall we move to our next class, that is our maths class. Till now what and all we learned, children, in the maths? Yes, we learned so many things like numbers and number names, addition and subtraction, and also the identification of the numbers and missing numbers, backward numbers, between numbers, before numbers, after numbers in our mathematics. Okay, correct? No? Today I am going to revise you. With that, we learn some comparisons also, like big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, long, longer, longest, heavier, and the lighter things. Correct? No? Now, today we are going to revise you some, again, the numbers from the 91 to 100. Okay? 91 to 192, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and the last one is 100. You learn the number name also. For the 91, NINETY, 90 ONE1. For 95, NINETY, 90 FIVE5. For the last one, if I go to that, 99, NINETY, 90 NINE9. The last one is 100, HUNDRET, 100. You learned all these things in your previous classes. Okay, you also completed the pages 45, till the page number 53. I think you have completed the page number 53. Today I am going to give a homework regarding the same thing in the page number 46. Okay, mathematics readiness book, page 46. What they are given? For example, if I write that 90 91, here there may be 96, 91, 97. You need to circle the number there. What is the spelling I have given? 91. You have to circle like this. Okay. like this. 30 TH RC 34 FOU R 43 44 45. You need to circle the 44. Like that you have to complete the page number 46 in your mathematics readiness book. You have this book, no, mathematics readiness book. In that, open the page number 46. Circle the number that matches the corresponding number name. First, what you have to do, you have to take the, write your name and put the date, and you have to complete the activity what they are given. Like 74, you have to circle the 74. 78, you have to circle the 78. Like that, you have to complete the page number 46 in your mathematics readiness book. This is your maths homework, children. With that, the another one homework is write. Second homework is write 0 to 100 one time in square root. Totally, I have given you two homeworks. One is mathematics readiness book, page number 46. You need to complete. Another one is write 0 to 100. How you will start? That is your nag, because 0 only it will come in the front. Okay. Otherwise, you start with 1 only. Not a problem. Okay. You start with 1 to 100. Okay. 1 to 100. You have to write one time in your square book. Okay. Please be thorough in that, because in your next terms we will ask you the questions till the 100 only. Okay, children? Yes, you all know the number names also for the 100. Tomorrow I am going to give you the homework regarding the same thing. Understood? Yes. Now we will move to our next class, that is EVS. This is nothing but your general science class. What you learned yesterday in your EVS, it's regarding a water. What is a water? Water ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? What is a water? What is a water? It's a color and liquid. Very essential for living. Yes, no? Water is a liquid which is very essential for living. Not only for the human beings, also for the plants. It's also for the animals, birds, for each and everything. The water is very useful for the living things. What I told you, living things, on that day we learned to what is the living things which will make a changes in a certain time or a certain period. It is called a living things. Okay. So the water is a liquid which is very important for a living things, for also the plants, or also the animals, and also for a water plants, everything. Okay. So we will categorize who are all users for the water, the users of water. Why we will use a water? Why the water is used? For drinking. Correct alla? Bekalma, without water can you stay? Water? Without water can you stay? Don't tell that water I can stay. I'll drink a juice and I'll stay. I'll drink a tea, I will stay. I'll drink a coffee, or I will drink an artificial juice. It's not like that. For all that things, water is required. Without water can you stay? No, you can't stay half a day. More than half a day you can't stay, children, without the water. Water is most essential. Okay, uses of the water. The first thing is drinking. The second thing, for washing clothes. Correct, no? For washing the clothes, what is required? Water is required. Okay, the third thing is for cooking. Correct, no? without the water? Some it is there, optional, but everything it can't be. For cooking, water is very useful. The third thing, fourth thing, for bathing. Correct, Anna? Can you stay without taking a bath more than 2 days? No, you will start stinging. One day it is okay, you can stay. 1 or 2 days you can stay with any emergency cases. If you are hospitalized or if you go somewhere traveling for more than 3 days, okay, 2 days you can manage. But in the third day you can't manage, you will start stinging. So water is necessary for bathing. Is there anything for water or the uses of the water? Drinking, washing clothes, for cooking, for bathing, then like what, planting, tree. Avdala. For the plants also the water is very useful. Okay, without water we cannot live. Next is the sources of water. Can you tell me how you will get the water? Sources of water. Yes, the sources of water is nothing but from where you get the water. Yes, everyone will thinks that when the rain comes from the cloud, the rain will what, collect, accumulate on the land, and we will get the water from that. Yes, it's true, but not every time, because when there is a summer the water will get evaporated and it will go again for the cloud. Okay, so the sources of water, so many sources are there, like what, rivers, lakes, sea, ocean, then well. The small well is also a source of water. Underground water, rivers, lake, sea, ocean, well. Then what else? Yes, the rain. Rain is also a main source of water. Okay. Today we are going to we are learn how we get a water, what is a water, why it is more useful to us. Okay, these are all some parts you can go through here. Open your Tell Me More book and you can open in the page number 34 in your Tell Me More book. What they are written? Sources of water: rain, hand pump, sea, well, river, ocean, lake, and a tank. Question for conversation: from where we get water? We get water from rain. Where do we find the wells? We find the wells in the villages. Why is a dam built? A dam is built across a river to store water. The homework is write 3 questions and answer from page 34 and stick pictures. Okay, you can write 3 questions and answer from page number 34 and stick pictures. Either you can stick the pictures of the rain, sea, river, well, or you can draw a beautiful picture. You all like to draw, no? So try to draw the pictures in that your interleaf book. Interleaf book is not there. Buy, purchase one new book and you can draw a beautiful picture in that. Otherwise, take your drawing book. You can make a specified page like the sources of water and you can draw a beautiful picture of the sea, hand pump, river, rain, ocean, lake, tank, and also the dam what they are given in your page number 34. Please complete all your homework and be happy at home. Okay. children? Yes, I hope today you enjoyed your class. Take care. Be safe at home. Bye.